Hi, this is Lorenz Atlas. I will be talking about the social aspects of sports in this discussion. The first question I will be answering is, how and why do sports come to symbolize broader social concerns about society? And I think there are three main factors, in my opinion. One being gender inequality, and that basically means women are not getting the same opportunities as men because sports is mostly a male-dominated field, and also I believe that women women are not being marketed as much as men, and I can get into why is that, but one of the reasons is because women's sports are not as entertaining, I would say, as men. So I think that's a big issue that could be fixed. And another problem that comes to symbolize broader social concerns is gender identity, and that's basically the LGBTQ community. And I believe that trans men and women, lesbian women, bisexual men and women, gay men and women, I believe that they should have their own sport, in my opinion. And some people say that trans women should have the same opportunities, should be in the same sports as regular women, and I disagree with that because they have a significant advantage in terms of muscle mass, because men are usually bigger and stronger physically than women in that aspect. So, and the last thing is media bias, the bias of media, and the media controls the narrative for everything. So I say that's a big part. And the second question I will be answering is, what are the various ways in which sports psychologists study the intersection of race in sports? And I got a article right here, and it basically talks about the sports and race as a social phenomenon. And I'll say that genetics play a big part, because me as a African American man, people say that we are more genetically superior to other races for various reasons. So that's why certain sports have more African American men and women than other sports, like football and basketball are typically African American dominated sports, while other sports like baseball and hockey and soccer are more dominated by Caucasians, Asians, Europeans, and etc. And I don't really know why that is, but I believe that all races should get the same opportunity to play at all sports. So I think that's something I should look up more. And the last question is, what are some examples of the way sports can serve as a catalyst for social change? And one way is sports builds friendship and camaraderie within the community. And the reason I say that is because sports is a great way to bring everyone together. Like the video we looked at in class on Monday, 9/11 happened. That's one of the worst events in American history, and that changed how America looks at certain things. And that event brought everyone together, even the people who didn't vote for George W. Bush. That event brought everybody together because we know how much that event had impacted everyone's lives at that point. So I'll say sports bring friendships, because sports is a great way to have that interaction with people that you don't know, and yeah, in all ages. And I believe that sports is a great way to bring everyone together, because sports can be a means to his ends. And that is it for today, and I want to thank you guys for this discussion.